I don't know if I can handle one of them, to be honest. I was meant to fucking... I might just fucking hold it.
Boys love it.
But it's not... It doesn't smell like a fresh kipper.
It doesn't smell too bad. It does smell like a little... It smells like
It doesn't smell good, mate. It's what some call vermin.
It does smell like a little rodent.
Dude, just smell my fingers.
I've smelled that.
Mate, you said it doesn't smell bad. So we're off to Soho vegan market. It's going to be fun times. Let's hope for the best one ever. Confrontation is not always a bad thing. And it can lead to reasoning once the madness has been spilled. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm with my mate Joe, who you guys know. It's a bit camera shy, you know. So. But yeah, another day, another job. So you tried vegan for 6 months and you were trying to build muscle, you're saying?
Yes, because I'm kind of into fitness, and so I was wondering whether I could maintain the same amount of muscle mass on a vegan diet as on a meat eater diet. So I tried it for 6 months, and after a few months I developed health issues. Just to name one, alopecia. When you start losing your hair, you know, like bald patches appeared on my beard and on my hair as well.
Wow, in 6 months?
Yeah, in 6 months time. Actually, it started around 3-4 months, and it was getting bigger and bigger. So I thought maybe it's not the best way to go about it. And I was also constantly carving for meat.
Wow.
So I couldn't sleep. I had all kinds of problems, you know, I got sick every month, you know, flu. And I was like, man, I'm destroying my body. I need to do something. So I switched back to meat straight away. My problems went away. You know. After a few weeks or so, everything was fine again.
It's really quick, eh?
I also grew my beard back. So I don't know if you can still see it, but this is where the spot was.
Well, it's coming back better anyway.
Yeah, it's coming back. It's come back already almost.
Well, you give me hope for my beard.
Yeah. So my advice to anyone is don't go vegan because you're gonna kill yourself. You know, this is how our body is designed. We're designed to eat meat, and you just, you know, it's just an agenda that they're trying to push so they can kill more people, basically. Because governments have no interest in keeping you alive. You know, they want you to have health issues because then, you know, they can make money off selling you drugs. You know. So yeah,
it's an old system of the peasants and the kings, eh?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Shanxi.
Yeah, come here, man. Yeah, I've got it. Dude, can you please film this? Just this bit. I'm gonna read this out. Yeah, I just want to say, like, it's our Christian right to eat meat wherever we please, and it says it over and over again in the Bible. So it's our religious right, and this is our protection. Sorry? Oh, it is. Have you sworn an oath?
Excuse me.
She's sworn an oath on the Bible to uphold the faith of this country.
Yeah, put it in the bag.
It's higher than statute
Which bag?
law.
The bag, yeah, just the bag.
When the Lord your God enlarges your territory as he has promised you, and you say, I will eat meat, because you crave meat, you may eat meat whenever you desire. Eat whatever is sold in the meat market without raising any question on the ground of conscience. Now that the Spirit speaketh expressly, that in the latter times some shall depart from the faith, giving heed to seducing spirits and doctrines of evil, speaking lies and hypocrisy, having their conscience seared with a hot iron, forbidding to marry, commanding to abstain from meats, which God hath created to be received with thanksgiving, of them which believe and know the truth. One person believes he may eat anything, while the weak person eats only vegetables. Let not the one who eats despise the one who abstains, and let not the one who abstains pass judgment on the one who eats. For God has welcomed him. But it's his religious right, and the Queen literally has sworn an oath to the Christian faith, and all police officers have sworn an oath to the Queen, and they derive their power via the Queen, who has sworn her oath to the Christian faith.
Arresting them for what? For eating in the street? I've never heard of it.
That would be a new one.
It's his right. Like he's gonna literally die. What law are you related to?
So you need to arrest them for hate crimes. That's the law. Speak to your... It is, because they're stopping our religious rights. It's actually a hate crime. Speak to your superior officer. He will know this. It's a fact. I'll check it out.
Investigating for the section 5.
It's a fact, exactly. Against religion. You don't
It takes place, the first step is to
stop
understand
people's
who he is.
religious rights, especially the one upheld by this
Well, it
very
depends on what we find out. So,
That's actually
can we get your details?
literally listed as
So I have to give it to you. I don't get it.
It's on camera, mate. So yeah.
So if you haven't done anything, because it's
At the moment, it looks like you have done something with the section 5 public order offence, 1986.
by eating maybe. So it's a little bit
law.
We're the police, yeah. We're not making the judgment. We're just the police, and we're following the law. And it says you have committed a public order offence.
But
So we investigate
under the law, you need to arrest the people that have complained because they're stopping our religious
It makes no sense what you're saying.
Just let him finish for a second. It does. It's the law.
So I'm asking you again. Can I get your details, please? You can investigate this.
Right, so you're asking, but I have to give you.
Well, one way or another, you will give us all your details. One way or another.
So you're saying he's going to give you the rest?
Goes like this.
He doesn't have to give his details until he's arrested.
They won't. They literally won't investigate people stopping actually stopping your religious right. When the Lord your God enlarges your territory as he has promised you, and you say, I will eat meat, because you crave meat, you may eat meat whenever you desire. Eat whatever is sold in the meat market without raising any question on the ground of conscience. And I can go on.
Nice
Nice one.
Literally, when you pay for walking,
So if anything, if there's this whole lot...
And by the way, this is going out live, just so you know.
Well, sir, we are also part of the public.
Some people call it 999 because of alarm. Next time I see somebody in a village I call the police because I find that offensive. As a vegan, I find that offensive. But I'm not finding this offensive because he's making his point and he has a right to protest. I stated earlier, the law talks about hypothetical bystander if that person is offended or not. Okay, so would you take my details so I can give you as a witness statement that I'm an innocent person. I'm literally out in the street myself with granddad and as a vegan, I'm not offended by that because I have a right to protest under UK law.
So we have this guy on record who's not offended by us. That's good.
Standing there,
it's also looking at
The thing is, harassment along. My wife is a vegan, and I've got great sympathy for it, but I don't think that this. have to police it because it's quite offensive.
So how would you suggest we
if
go?
I was walking here with my parents, I think my parents would be quite shocked.
But look, I understand, but the thing is, I was part of the raw vegan movement 15 years, and it nearly killed me. And there's thousands of other people suffering on a vegan diet, and that's fact. So the only reason we're here, we don't make any money, is to warn people with information and our right for free
the way
speech.
you've chosen, unfortunately, offends other people.
I know, but it's actually our right to eat what we like.
Yes, but if you offend other people...
So you would offend police now, or lawful
We
police?
know the line. Like, where
If I eat an ice cream, that offends
We're
me.
not people with diabetes.
But vegans are generally offended by everybody.
Alright. Are we getting your details or not? I'm just asking you want to go through details?
So, hang on. Important question. Are you requesting his details or are you ordering his details?
I'm requesting his details.
So under a request, you do not have to give your details. Unless you order him under a section, then he has to give his details.
We're trying to do this amicably, yeah?
Well, we're being
But you're taking
amicable.
one side. You're taking one side because you're sitting there saying that you've had complaints from members of the public. I'm a member of the public who is not offended by this and I'm a vegan.
And your point is?
So you're only taking one side of a story.
Yeah.
Because you've only taken one side. So I'm telling you that I'm, you know,
For me to investigate this, I need
but you're not
details.
investigating it because I've said to you I'd offer you my details, so I can go down as a witness statement to say that there is, that there is as a vegan,
Sir, I'll take your
harassment,
details.
harm and distress.
That's fine, I'll take your details, sir.
No, I'm talking to this officer here.
He was literally there.
Are we getting a detail or not? I'm asking you a question.
He doesn't want to give his details, but if you're going to arrest him, then obviously, which is not legal, but because he hasn't done anything.
So simply just let us
When you commit a crime and you walk away, you think that's fine?
No, but we didn't commit a crime.
We didn't.
Actually, isn't that the court to decide whether he's committed a crime?
You're going against our religious right to eat meat.
That's what I'm saying. The police in this
It's incredible how that means nothing.
they're unbiased.
There's too many people talking.
So
I'm dealing with
you
gentlemen,
just
yeah?
turned around and said he's committed a crime, so now you're actually a judge, not a police officer. You just judge him because you're saying
Allegedly he committed the crime.
Right, so, you know,
Well, what crime?
of eating.
Section 5 of the Public Order Act. Harassment, alarm,
And it's a higher criminal act to go against
But as a
religious
vegan, I find it
beliefs.
offensive when
It's a
people eat
hate
burgers. I'm
crime.
sure like 4 or 5 police
you
officers
didn't
would be
find
turned up.
it?
I didn't find it because he's protesting. He has a right to
Okay, but
protest
there are
under
people
UK.
here that we do
But
feel
what if
very
I
uncomfortable.
what if I find their food offensive? I find their food
He was
offensive.
moving on.
I'd like to make a formal complaint. I'm offended by their food. What's the difference?
They were literally
You're not making any sense.
Well, I am actually. It's making obvious sense.
You can, it's up to you. You can sue anyone who likes civic claims, that's up to you. But by law, you can be murdered.
Yeah, but also violent.
Look, guys, there is a limit of what you can do if you offend other people. If other people feel offended, harass them.
But how can you know?
But you're saying that so he's eating. No, hang on. Under your logic, you've just turned around and said that if somebody's eating a burger, that's lawful because burgers are legal. So he's eating meat in this country. So how can then that change to breaking the law with him eating a squirrel to somebody eating a beef burger? Where's the difference there? How do you weigh that up morally? I'd be interested to know.
It's
How
a
would you
good
weigh that
point,
up
mate.
morally? Because the same thing is it's still a dead carcass. It's still an innocent being that's been killed. And as a vegan,
At least we acknowledge the animal where it comes from.
We're only coming here to help
this is what I'm saying, you're
people.
being a bit biased because you're only picking one side because he's eating something that's a little bit unusual.
Here, these are dead animals, and I can see why people find offensive. Yeah, that's my judgment.
It's uncommon, but it's not different
Should
than
we
a vegan.
close our eyes? Like, what
It's
if we
uncommon to just
It's
meat.
Are we getting a detail or not? Yeah, and
Respectfully, yes.
you will not be able to walk away without giving us the
Request or
details.
order is a very big difference.
You will not be able to walk away from here without giving us the details. Well,
That's a threat.
that's just the way it works. That's just the way it works.
But the thing is, you should arrest the people that complain. That's the law. You don't seem to know the law. They're going against our religious beliefs to freely eat meat, as is said in all through the Bible. What about that complaint? I'd like to start a new complaint. I guess no one upholds the actual Christian faith anymore in this country. Only, you know.
At this stage, you don't. The next stage is that you're arrested. You won't be able to leave. Well, then you'd have to arrest him. So then, what would you arrest him on?
That's a future sentence.
Public order offence. The public order offence. If he walks, you will get arrested. But it's up to you. It's up to you on how willing you're to.
So they're illegally threatening him
Okay, can I have
with a
your name and
request that's a false
Can I have-
request
no,
because
can I
it's a
have your name and
demand.
address and date of birth. So you have nothing to hide. Why do you want my address? My name. I want your name and address because you've just said if you've got nothing to hide, then
I'm a
that's
police
it.
officer and I'm in a sensitive position. I can't give you my address.
See, it's always convenient how it's, you know,
Yeah.
very convenient.
He's in a sensitive position. He doesn't want to give you his address.
Sensitive position is the fact is that he's not sticking to the law.
And I'm saying he's in a sensitive position as well.
Everything is recorded.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. And also, if anyone, I would take down his number because you can request a video footage of this as well. And then actually you've got, then you'll have a witness of actually saying somebody that's vegan that wasn't offended by that as well. So then that would be unjust. So that can be used in a court of law. But it's up to you.
Yes, so he's siding with vegans over the complaints of meat eaters. That's literally what's going on. There's no leg to stand on unless his whim is his leg to stand on.
And you could be someone who's called perhaps alarm of stress, like alarm of
Have you got written statements about it? You just said there's been yeah, no, so could you find out whether there's been any statements? At the moment I can't find out because I'm giving you the process. You can't go onto a radio and just find out. Is that you can't believe it's true or not?
At the moment, I'm dealing with this person.
Okay, ask him if he's still putting any statements. For the section 5. Just ask him.
There's a system called CAT where every call is one is
Okay, you've got the cat number. That's handy. I'm an investigative journalist, so I can...
You might want to look into how religion trumps statute law.
Okay, ask for the cat number. Ask cat number. So that basically any...
Seems like you got no allegiance to the Queen
If you ring 101 or the police, it will come up.
and the country.
The CAD number is an identity. It's like
It's a shame these days. Political correctness.
Well, it might mean anything that all the letters of the word police are written in capital. Right?
That's true. That's Roman law, I've been told, which means that you're a peasant. Yeah, this guy knows.
So he needs to do that. Slaves have to do that.
Yep. You know Sv3rige or?
Yeah, we just talked this morning. So,
Oh, cool.
yeah, a bit late.
Oh, you did an interview or?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, nice one. I was going to do mine later, yeah.
Oh, what? You mean an interview for? Oh no.
Ex-vegan interview.
No,
Oh,
I'm
no,
not
no.
ex-vegan.
Oh, lucky you, lucky you.
No, fortunately, I passed that one, but I'm paleo for 4 years,
Okay.
but more the commercial one,
Yeah.
and that was a bit different because when I started eating too much vegetables and fruits, I recognized the same that I'm getting weak.
Yeah.
So it was the same like what he said, and when I found his video by coincidence,
Yep.
I started introducing dairy because usually that is not in raw dairy because we used to drink and eat butter and these kind of things before, and well, immediately felt better. And that was interesting that even from a paleo diet, which is very high
Yeah.
in meat, I can have the same effect.
I know. It's from
And
standard diet, from paleo, from...
Yeah, and I came only across it because I have friends who are vegetarians. And the one, she was completely sick, and she introduced meat, and it healed her. Really
It's pretty obvious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I want to talk to you more.
Oh, yeah. Well, the thing is...
Well, I don't know if you are.
No, I mean after.
Maybe we should
So what will happen is they put it in. If you ever get stopped by the police,
So, but then
be liable
you
for
have
every
knowledge.
they ask for the details again.
He
They would then
is.
say,
I mean, he's operating illegally on every level.
He could sue him, I would say.
He could totally sue him. He's done about 5 illegal acts. He doesn't know the law.
Well,
They stand behind Section 5, which is below the...
but unfortunately, they are the same victims like the vegans are.
I know, but we can't help but say the truth,
yeah,
you
I
know.
I'm hearing one side from you, yeah, and I'm sure we'll hear back from other officers what they've found out. So I need to know. You've also heard from me who's a vegan that's not offended. You're not willing to take any sort of detail down or anything like that. So you're not investigating it properly. At the moment, now you make sure it's not well, I don't think he's running it.
Now I remember it. It's called Capitis de Minutio Maxima.
Sounds Roman to me.
Yeah?
No, I don't think you have.
Yeah, but it's very obvious. Yeah, but it's obvious that he's
Then if you
determined.
get arrested for no reason, you can sue them. You can carry out the investigation and do do whatever they
Can
have
I
to
have
do to the
your
officer.
name?
That's-
Sure.
You'll have to provide details so it goes to court. Be a witness.
So let me get his name.
I don't think.
Of course.
Very important. So why?
Record the badge number as well. Is
Yeah, I got that.
I rang you guys, you came out and you did nothing about
Oh, he's acting completely illegally on every level. The police officer, he doesn't know the law, which is standard for most.
I was quite upset. In fact, my missus was crying.
I've been here the whole time. I'm saying that I've been reading him out law that he doesn't understand, and he's just standing behind Section 5, which is the public disorder.
What's this gentleman accused of?
He's accused of eating meat in a vegan market, but it's not illegal. No, he's actually just eating his lunch. But he's had complaints, and we've complained back.
In protest.
That doesn't matter. Protest completely legal, but he wasn't eating.
But was he
actually.
in protest?
Not technically, no. But we're.
No, was he doing in protest?
What do you mean?
Like, you can't say technically he wasn't doing it.
Well, technically we were eating our lunch, but I'm here, and he is, to raise awareness that veganism is very dangerous.
Yeah, in protest.
Yeah, but that's not the issue that he's going for. He's going for disorderly Section 5.
I don't know, yeah,
causing
yeah,
distress, that's all I'm saying. But
I
yeah,
don't know.
he was doing it. Because basically veganism destroyed my health and countless other people. And he's a YouTuber who interviews ex-vegans who have recovered now on meat diet. And there's only one side being pushed a lot in the media now. And honestly, mate, I was part of the industry 15 years. I was like...
So wait, is this a vegan market?
Yeah.
My missus was crying, and you said it's not. You have a right to protest. And then when I sat there and said to you that I will give you a statement because I'm willing to do that, no, I haven't got nothing to hide, I'm willing to give my details because I don't think that he should be persecuted for something that he believes in. We're trying to defend the offence, we're trying to defend dealing with it. Yeah, and once I've done that, and your statement might be relevant, then we can talk. But at the moment, he's a suspect with a complaint to you. Right, so you've got a complaint about someone having a dead squirrel biting into the dead squirrel and people being offended by it. So, and I saw you just when you arrived with a dead squirrel and biting into it. So at the moment, you're matching the suspect description, yeah?
Yeah, I guess. But what if we would call the police on them now? Then you would arrest them.
So at the moment,
Yeah, but what if all of us now call the police on the people on the list of spare?
the easiest way to get out of it is to give me a detail to check your background and see if everything else is fine. And we can probably find an amicable solution. But at the moment, you're not cooperating.
But you can also find an amicable solution.
I wouldn't mind giving you my ID if you
Then
want.
what? You can't just let him walk off as he was doing. Because at the moment there isn't much to hold him on.
I wouldn't mind giving you the ID if you want to check.
If this went to court and he was legally eating meat, which you've already established, which on camera you've already established that it's legal to eat in this country, to eat cows, to eat pigs. I'm not being funny. I find it disgusting that he's eating a squirrel. I also find it disgusting that people eat burgers. But at the end of the day, I can't get offended. We need to stop being offended by everything in this country.
Yeah.
My job is to make sure that even the suspect to find out who he is or who she is. Yeah. But let people go without knowing who they are. That's dangerous.
So the next process would be to wait until.
But what is, he hasn't done anything though, that's the thing.
Yeah, so could this person here, so could she, so could he, so could he, so could he.
And I've got no,
So are you now going to start questioning everyone because it might be wanted? Exactly.
Exactly.
He hasn't done anything apart from eating.
That's the point.
most likely committed an
No,
offence.
he hasn't committed. It has to be found in a court of law whether he's committed that offence. But do you think, honestly, do you think a judge would find somebody eating meat an offence? I'm not being difficult, I'm just asking a question because I find this fascinating.
You need to bring us to a conclusion, so I don't want to give up the guys.
What, for eating food?
No, it's probably got a offence cause harassment while distress.
Okay, can I ask a
We
question?
were literally walking away. If we wouldn't have a conversation here, there wouldn't have been any public harassment taking place, and there wouldn't be any people
I don't mind
gathering
giving you my
here.
ID if you want to check who I am and like my background. I don't care. I have no
But we don't quite understand why you're demanding it.
me to the
Well,
database and stuff.
I've asked you for the past 20 minutes, you haven't been cooperating,
But I don't mind.
so you leave us no choice but to arrest you.
I don't mind giving you the ID if you want to
Why
check
you-
my background.
Wait, sir, but if I
never
do
said I
recall
did.
properly, you did say you weren't ordering him, you were requesting him.
If you ordered me, I would give it to you.
He hasn't done anything.
But this doesn't make sense.
Allegations have been made, we're going to investigate it. Part of that is we'll take it to the police
Could you
station.
define?
Allegations of what? Of eating his food?
It doesn't matter what you say.
It doesn't matter. Oh wow. Oh, that's the law, eh?
That's the law.
It doesn't matter, basically.
What anyone says.
Away from everyone else, okay?
Good law. Well, you know you're facilitating a hate crime against his religious right to eat meat.
Really, I'm not making any sense to a normal person like myself.
Oh, so you haven't sworn an oath to the Queen then?
No, I haven't. Actually, I have, yeah.
And she hasn't sworn an oath on the Bible then?
I've heard people like you, lots and lots.
Like me?
Yeah.
So now you're going to be racist or what? Like me? What am I like?
I'm racist.
I don't know, someone who's generalising other...
Not
You're not making much sense.
As a reasonable person,
Well, you don't seem to. You just said no matter what, you're going to take him in.
I'm going to take him in.
But that's not reasonable.
How do you know?
Because whether he's been lawful or not...
Bring my phone, I need my phone.
Yeah, I've got it.
Can I have it? I gotta go.
Yeah, it's not here. Oh yeah, it is fucking here. Actually,
Hell, this is
no, it's in the bigger pocket, man. Don't oh.
my phone's also
Take some money and do it sometime.
Yeah, he needs to say no comment. He needs to say
I
no.
don't.
no comment to anything.
Yeah, it's fine.
No comment. Anything they take. Why? Well, because usually that means that you have no rights.
It's not making any sense,
This is disgusting.
Absolutely.
It's disgusting. It's total fucking breach of human rights. I nearly swore there, but
You have no right to arrest this man.
you have no right.
Absolutely no right. You have no right
You're going against the faith of this country, against the Queen.
You have no right to arrest him. He has not done anything whatsoever against the law.
This is totally illegal.
You are doing something illegal.
And we obviously have it on camera live.
It's going on YouTube.
Well, it's live.
Neil's being arrested.
So here they are, showing once again this is not a free country.
Absolutely no.
This is a dictatorship.
Absolutely no.
This is a fascist country. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Oh my God.
The bag of meat.
This is a hate crime.
It's a hate crime against the Christian religion and just basic human rights of eating your lunch wherever you so please. You should be proud of yourself, really.
Too far, mate. Too far.
Disgusting.
What is you?
No, them. Like the police.
Nah, man, you're disturbing
What's
people.
disgusting is the blood on his hands. Getting arrested. It's actually vile.
What, so you think you should be arrested for eating some meat? In public, yeah? Oh, you're good little
eating
sheep.
meat in public.
Good little sheep of the government, then you are.
This is cooked meat.
Yeah, here's a sheep.
That doesn't make people feel sick when they walk past, you know.
So
nice aromatic
so
smell.
if that makes me feel sick and I complain, you should be arrested.
You're not a vegan, though.
Everyone has different
You like
opinions.
meat, remember?
I know, but now
Vegans that don't like meat.
I know, but now you're
that
saying
man in
it's
hell
all right
raw
for my
meat.
mate to go to fucking to jail.
No, that's not what I said. I said he's not gonna go to jail. He's
Well,
going
whatever,
into a
to be
cell.
arrested. Yeah.
Probably
all right.
12 hours tops, 4
Yeah,
hours.
lovely chuffly,
I've
right?
been in cells, it's fine.
Yeah, me too, but it's not right. This is symbolic that we don't really have free speech.
No, you do.
Well, we do.
You do it in the right way.
Here, look, we do.
Put those squirrels. You need to hold those squirrels.
Because he was being filthy. Public disorder.
You can do anything. Just stood there.
No. We're eating.
He stood there eating what he chose to eat. It's written all over the bloody Bible that you can eat it.
If he ate a swan, that's treason.
Could you please give the even though the law properly?
Don't worry about it, Luna. I understand, but he'll be out soon.
It's the camera. Better for the camera.
Yeah.
Downtown Sulam. All going down.
All right. Be friendly. She's crying, mate. That is his missus because
he got arrested.
Yeah,
That's fine, man.
they're travelling. Now she's all on her own in a big city, you know.
I mean, don't travel and eat raw squirrels, and this might not happen.
Mate,
where are you travelling to?
You're a sorry thing to a free sovereign human being.
This
It's
isn't
a
a free
shame we're
sovereign country.
brainwashed. I know that's what I'm saying, but you should fight for it.
I mean, no one's complaining about me eating this, so
But if I did, on their logic, you should be arrested.
go and complain and let's see what happens. I want to see if
I know, but on their logic.
Nah, man, think about it, bro. If I'm a vegan and you're eating raw squirrels that stink,
Do you
Wait,
know what
you're not gonna let me
vegans
finish.
do? Yeah, but I know what you're saying, mate. I'm not an idiot. I get that
but I
point.
mean, at least let me finish, innit?
Yeah.
If I am a vegan,
Yeah.
and you're eating raw squirrels around me, where I want to buy vegan food, you're basically contaminating the air and everything that we believe in. And I'm not a vegan. I'm just saying, innit?
Yeah, but it shouldn't be an
No
arrestable
one comes
offence.
into Sainsbury's and says, "Take all the meat away."
Mate, everyone gets offended in this day and age. It's ridiculous political correctness. If I don't ask you your gender, you might be a girl, mate. I don't know. I shouldn't ask you, and then I could get arrested.
You're being silly, man. Think
No, but
about
that's
it.
true. Did you hear there was a lady? She was taken from her house
Yeah.
because of like a Twitter post that was like not going along with the gender political correctness.
It's
Like,
2019, bro. Get with it, bro.
yeah, get with the fucking fascism.
It's not.
So that's what I'm saying. So tonight, when I'm outside the room, I am the person who's going to be offended when somebody's eating a poor murdered cow. No, I am going to do that. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not being funny. The other week there was a pro-abortion.
Mate, this guy's not reasonable. I wouldn't bother.
My missus was crying.
He's about as open as a.
Said nothing.
As a.
They did nothing. I'm not talking to him. No, but you're not listening to me. I am listening.
I don't care.
We're trying to get your word in.
Well, he's going to arrest because I'm saying he's not reasonable. Like, well, he can do it anything, but yeah.
It takes one person to be offended.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your efforts tonight.
Yeah, thank you.
So he's solicitor. You need to find out.
There they are. Unbelievable. This is not a free country, not even a little bit free. And we need to stand up for this.
No problem.
Yeah, can't believe it. Oh, what are we doing now?
Well, we're just going to go and chill somewhere.
It's fucked up. I've never heard of anything like this.
Let's just... It's fucking crazy, eh? Eating our lunch.
Couldn't be more stereotypical.
Here are some of the budding UK carnivores. Thank God for some of us, like there's a few of us. The chiller, thanks for arresting him. I know you don't care. You care about nothing, not the animals. You do not, you just said it's true, yeah? You don't care about the animals. You don't care about any animals, do you? You're a faker. Thanks. You're a liar.
Yeah, like you.
Yeah, like me, eh? Yeah, Andrew, come, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Is everyone here, Luna? Let's get out of here, man. Like, just let's just go somewhere to discuss what the hell we're.
Yeah, because it probably could become harder. So, yeah, what you can do is you can wait at the station. They can keep it up to 24 hours. I doubt that will happen. I reckon.
It'll
be alright. Alright, buddy. Everything will be alright, honestly. You'll be alright.
See you, bro.
Thanks, I know these people. Thank you.
He doesn't know the law
They
properly
don't know
either.
anything. They don't care.
The one that arrested him.
That's why I thought today I should
Like in any other country.
just sit in the park a little.
Yeah, I just too many people for me. I just need to like, and I thought you would be a bit similar. Like,
Isn't it funny that the more people concentrate in one place, the less you can concentrate yourself?
totally true, because our energy field is far bigger than we think. But you know, it merges into everyone's, and it's like.
When people come like too close to me and I can't walk freely, I just get so tense.
No, totally, and yeah, and you know, he gave me a couple of beautiful smiles, Gat. Like when he was being there, and I was young, he was like, like he's good. Yeah, you know, that made me warm in the heart. Like he's good, you know. He's having an experience, you know.
The Byman solicitors, they deal with activism on London streets. So they basically deal with protests. So they know the law.
Crazy times. Only in London, eh?
Yeah.
In America, it wouldn't have actually happened. Probably, it's crazy.
What do you think would have happened in America?
You could just say free speech.
Yeah.
The fifth, you stay silent.
I want to get out of London. I don't want to be arrested every time I do this. I'm glad I didn't go for the squirrel in the end, because Dale got as well, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, no one's remembering Dale. He's like, yeah, you'll be good, Dale. Oh shit.
If you talk to like the asshole cop, I think the guy who arrested.
Where did you buy the squirrel from anyway?
I got it from wildmeats.co.uk.
So you can actually buy this.
I know, it's recommended by top chefs, that website, and that's what I mean. But it's their law, right? They just make it up.
So you were gonna eat the squirrel, but what, the smell made you?
Literally, yeah, that was my plan the whole time. Quarter Hungarian, you're half Hungarian.
They're going to have to keep him in there. If they keep him in for a certain amount of time, by law they have to feed him. And under UK law they have to feed him under his dietary needs, which is raw meat. So it's going to be virtually impossible to feed him. So they're going to have he's going to have welfare issues and everything.
Now even more kind of ironic because someone just sat there eating their sushi.
I'm deeply offended by that. Someone's eating their sushi here, and it's very offensive. No, I'm joking. Our friend just got arrested for eating his lunch. Seriously, isn't that crazy? Well, it's nice to be in a park, somewhere nearer nature from that human disease of a city. So, that was a pretty intense one yesterday. That was unexpected for me. I mean, we know this is a country without freedom. But I wasn't expecting Gattis and Deo to get arrested. I was very close to getting arrested if I hadn't last minute found the squirrel too stinky. I was supposed to be eating that. They don't seem to care about the law or just basic common sense. The vegan side of the story is the only one that is really upheld. It's clear. I mean, if I complained that someone was eating some vegetables in a meat market, do you think the police would come? No. So who gets to decide what is disturbing to another individual and what isn't disturbing? The police, the government, they get to decide. Yeah, we'll see what the next chapter is, but they stood up for themselves. They never gave in, and that's the important thing, because it becomes a symbolic gesture on camera, showing the hypocrisy of this country. I mean, we have far less rights than in America. It's a total police state. But truth will never be stopped. You're going really close, aren't you? You're the one that caused all the mischief. Or your brother. You little cheeky bugger. He calls the arrest. Oh yeah. Hello, you cause all the trouble. It's your little sister or brother that caused all the mischief. An arrest over you. Silly Billy.